Hello everyone and welcome to the Military and Monetary YouTube channel and our latest project.
Which we will call the Eastern Bloc Kitchen program.
Yes, exactly.
And the plan with this is to cook some food which they used to cook and eat during the old days behind the Iron Curtain.
Exactly. And in some cases still do.
Exactly.
Classic Eastern European dishes.
And some dishes more eatable than others.
Most likely.
Yes.
My name is Erik and most of you will probably recognize my voice from the other videos on this channel. And we have my new co-host.
Yes, and I'm Dan and I'm the uncle to Erik.
Yes. And what will we start this new project with?
It is a very special dish which in English will be called the dead grandmother.
Yes,
Or
the traffic accident.
Exactly, and in German it was called Tote Oma.
And it is the most classic East German dish ever, I would say.
Yes.
Let's begin.
Yes, I think so.
What do you need to make Tote Oma?
We have prepared the ingredients for this dish.
Yes, and we are going to go through it, but first, one important thing.
Mm-hmm.
This is so far the biggest project on this YouTube channel, and we would of course appreciate it if people would like to leave a comment, and of course subscribe to this YouTube channel. And we will,
Which is absolutely free of charge.
of course, it's
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah.
He doesn't know a lot about YouTube. We would also appreciate if you would like to share this video, because the more people that are able to see it, the more interesting it will be to make more episodes.
So let's begin.
Yes,
We have some. Did we say that this was enough for 2 persons?
2 persons.
Approximately.
Yeah.
So we need some butter.
Mm-hmm.
We need 1 onion. And we need some broth. And this is made from cow, so it's not chicken or fish or anything.
It's meat broth.
Yeah, meat broth. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Some salt, potatoes,
Pepper. And the main ingredients, we need blood sausage, which is this one, and liver sausage. And we need some bacon.
Yes.
So that's basically it.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's start preparing.
So I begin with the onion,
And I'm starting with the sausages.
which was quite bad actually.
The onion?
Yeah, I think it got a touch of corona in it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. We have no masks.
No, that's true.
It's quite a dark sense of humor. The name of this dish. I mean, the liver and the blood sausage.
Do you know the history of the name?
No.
Dead grandmother. Where is the name origin from?
It sounds like, as I said, it's a really dark sense of humor, but I'm not really sure about the history of it.
Perhaps it's due to the ingredients like blood and liver. I mean, intestines.
Most likely so.
So it's
The same, of course, goes with traffic accident, which is another well-known, nickname
yes.
for the dish.
Yes.
So what we're doing now is we're chopping everything up.
Yep. And we must peel the potato.
Yeah.
everything has been chopped up,
Yes,
as you can see.
let's start
Let's start to cook.
with the butter in the pan.
Butter in a hot pan.
And we'll start with onion to give it a nice color. And after the onion we will add the bacon. So that one is going to fry for a little bit.
We didn't mention that we have put on the potato,
Yes,
which will boil for approximately 25 minutes.
and that one will fry for a few minutes.
Yes,
So we have a little time to drink beer.
of course. And it's German beer.
Mmm,
Cheers.
Prost. Have you eaten this before?
No, I've never eaten this before. This is
Me neither.
the first time.
I'm
And,
very excited.
I have been to Eastern Germany though.
And I'm very jealous
The
of
year
you.
after the wall fell. It was in 1990.
But East Germany still existed. As a
Yes.
state, right?
As a state, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. But we went to the border and we saw one of these border stations. It was evacuated and everything was still there. Papers, telephones, everything.
And you didn't bring one single thing
I
back.
didn't bring anything back because it was prior to my interest.
Of course.
Yeah. If it had been today, I would have brought a lot of stuff. Probably they would have filled my car with stuff.
Rented a container.
Yes.
You keep it back.
Yeah.
Well, it's always
But
easy
you're
to go
always-
wise.
One is always too late. I think
Always.
it's the story of
My life.
now we've added the liver sausage and
Blood sauce.
the blood sausage. And we just stir it around a little bit here. We add some salt to this. And some black pepper.
And all we have to do now is let this just cook together. And as a final touch, we've added the broth. And we realized that this is most likely a more luxurious version of this recipe.
Exactly. For the most common way, we think, is to prepare it only with blood sausage.
Yeah, and without the broth. So this is most likely a more luxurious recipe, but it smells really good. And we're done.
Yes, that's all, folks. Here we have the pan
Of Tote Oma.
or traffic accident. And actually, both these names, I think, they are quite good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
suitable.
But this is not the only stuff we will have. Of course, the boiled potato. And let's not forget,
The most important,
what is this?
sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut, yes.
Excellent. Nothing left to do but try it.
So, by the way, I made these myself, you know.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you do.
It's the shape of the county where we live in Sweden, called Värmland. I have a small pottery, so I think it's nice to make some local
And-
ceramics, actually.
And if you would have had an Instagram account, we could have added a link
We
in
could
the
have,
description.
but I
But
don't
we
have
might
it.
add a link to maybe a Facebook page or something like that.
Perhaps later on. Oh, you know what?
And-
I missed something.
Oh,
Gosh, since this is
My
the
God.
luxurious version, we will add some chives on it. I think that will add something to the taste.
what a fantastic cooking show.
So,
How could people ever need something else than this?
help yourself.
Mm-hmm. And of course, some of
It
this.
smells really good, actually.
I'm surprised
I'm very
of how
surprised too.
good it smells.
We added one more here for the cameraman, but you will take it later on, I think. And some sauerkraut. Which?
And here we have it. Tote. I must say this has been quite a lot of fun making a cooking show.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it. And of course, if the people watching this find it fun as well,
Mm-hmm.
we all know what they must do.
Subscribe.
To the channel, the
Yes.
Military and Monetary YouTube channel.
Exactly.
Leave a like and of course leave a comment. Maybe a comment what we should cook next time.
That was my idea. If perhaps you have some hints, perhaps your grandmother or grandfather cooked something several years ago.
That
Give
you
us a hint
remember
and we
from
can-
childhood.
Exactly. Could
Give
be
us
quite
your
interesting.
thoughts, give us your ideas,
Mhm.
and of course, like, subscribe. And follow on Instagram. Now, let's taste it.
Let's taste this.
Really great.
Mmm.
Wow,
It was.
it really is.
Surprisingly
Mr. Cameraman, join us for a taste. Not bad at all.
No, it was really, really good.
Thank you.
So, and some sauerkraut too. It's not too salty, it's not too pepperish, it's like, I don't know what to compare it with, that I have eaten before. I think it's like what we
Blood pudding.
like
A
blood
bit
pudding.
like blood pudding.
Or what we in Sweden call husmanskost. What's the English name for that? Plain man food,
Yeah,
average man food, or
Yeah,
everyday life food.
Rustic
every day, yeah,
cooking,
from Monday to
basically.
Friday, like for
Mm.
lunch or something. So
Yeah,
it's very rustique,
yeah.
very.
Well, that's it.
Mm.
Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you soon again. Bye.
Bye bye.